Okay, for the topic 3, privacy and surveillance. Privacy is critical to prevent identify theft. In Malaysia, our personal data is protected under the Personal Data Protection Act, as we call as PDPA 2010. Okay, a common question is, can employers monitor you? The answer is yes. If you use company equipment, they use tools like network packet sniffers to read emails and capture your screen activity. Similarly, the government also can monitor citizens for national security by requesting call metadata from telco or using spyware. Okay, to protect my privacy, I use a VPN to encrypt my internet traffic and physical webcam covers to prevent visual spying. Surveillance becomes an ethical issue when it is done secretly without cause, as it violates the fundamental human right to privacy. Thank you.